Government of India today, when we were discussing also on the media on the video conferencing, I will just read out what they have suggested is people should be advised in interest of health safety to avoid mass gatherings. Here it is very clearly mentioned that across the world experts have, which I am giving you, that queries that mass gatherings etc. in view of that, it's highlighted all these things should be avoided. A lot of people who are working abroad are facing problems going back from Goa into Kuwait. Now the Kuwait embassy has come out with a circular saying that they need a certificate of fitness, that they're not a carrier of this. And what has happened? They have identified 3 diagnostic labs, which I have also never heard of these labs. They are neither government hospitals or anything. They have given some one. I have given the list for you, list to you to go through. So what is happening is that some people have approached DHS, also Director Health Services, and our doctors, asking them whether certification can be done. But
कोरोनाचो व्हायरस 71 देशांनी पातळा, दुयेती 98,000 वयर पावले, सोपले 3,000 वयर. भारतात कोरोना दुयेंतींचो आंकडो 31 पावला. एअरपोर्टाचेर प्रत्येक देश विदेशी पॅसेंजरांचे स्क्रीनिंग सुरू.
लोग एक दूसरे के साथ सारी इंफॉर्मेशंस को शेयर कर रहे हैं। जो भी गाइडलाइंस हर संवेदनशील विषय पर भारत सरकार बना रही है, उन सब गाइडलाइंस को आप अपने स्टेट्स में फॉलो करने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। आप सब जानते हैं कि इस काम में स्वास्थ्य मंत्रालय की मदद दूसरे हमारे भारत सरकार के सभी मंत्रालय कर रहे हैं। डिफेंस मिनिस्ट्री, होम मिनिस्ट्री, सिविल एविएशन मिनिस्ट्री, शिपिंग मिनिस्ट्री, फार्मास्यूटिकल्स मिनिस्ट्री और भी जो भी संबंधित मिनिस्ट्रीज जिनकी भी हमको सहायता की आवश्यकता पड़ रही है।
जीएमसीत कोरोना व्हायरस दुबावितांच्यो 4 केसी आयिल्ल्यो. तातूंतल्यो 2 खंय नेगेटिव्ह. 2 जाण वैजकी देखरेखी खाला आसात.
Patient, no suspect. Ours are all suspects.
Correct.
we have not got a single
No,
case
not
in
yet.
Goa. Yeah,
This
touch
soon
only.
this will come in another
This is
2
true
days.
that
गोंयभर सध्या गावागावांनी शिगम्याचे वारे आणि शिगमोत्सव पळोवंक देशी फॉरेनर ट्युरिस्टांची गर्दी पडटा. शिगमोत्सवाचे गर्देचे कितें काय विचारल्यार सरकारा कडेन जाप ना.
And don't take a risk in today's time. At least next 2-3 months, we should actually avoid these mass gatherings. Any program which involves mass contact of people, I think, should be avoided. And this is no. I am telling you what is issued by government of India in interest of the people of Goa.
but are
Now,
you going to recommend to the chief minister?
I will write today the mail that this is advisory that should be issued to everybody. Now, whether how many people listen to the advisory or no, that's why I called a press conference today through your medium to keep the people aware. I do understand that Shigmo and other things are there, but in this today's situation, one has to look at one's own health and see what is best for one's family and then take a call.
सरकारान कसिनोचेरूय नजर दवरल्या. कसिनोत येवपी देश विदेशी ट्युरिस्ट आणि स्टाफाचेर नजर दवरची. कोरोना व्हायरसाची कितेंय लक्षणां दिसल्यार कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्साक कळोवचें म्हूण कसिनोक नोटीस. रिपोर्ट खंय डीजी शिपिंगाक धाडटले. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश घाडी आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठे.